Have you tried lemon, ginger, and honey tea? There is something remarkable about the combination of the three ingredients in this tea that needs to be acknowledged. It's not just a refreshing tea, it's a potent remedy and great for your health. This tea has many beneficial properties, and once you understand, you'll see why it's popular. Today we're going to talk about the top 6 benefits of amazing lemon, ginger, honey tea, and share a bonus at the end of the video. A simple, excellent recipe for this homemade tea that you'll love. Your health from the inside out. A lot of people drink lemon ginger tea every morning to refresh themselves and recharge. But did you know that this tea does more than just rejuvenate you? Not only is it super easy to prepare, but it also gives you an array of health benefits, like curing nausea, headache, and the common cold. You can get creative and add other healthy ingredients like mint and cinnamon to this tea, or just use the lemon and ginger combo, which has plenty of great benefits for you all by itself. Here are the top 6. Health benefit number 1, boosts immunity. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that is packed with antioxidants and has immune-boosting properties. If you tend to contract infections easily or get sick as soon as the weather changes, you might want to start drinking this tea to improve your immunity. Lemon and ginger are both excellent at fighting infections, shortening the duration of cold, cough, flu, and protecting your body from infections like salmonella. Benefit number 2, improves heart health. Again, lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is also known to promote proper flow of blood through the arteries and veins and prevent blood clots. This significantly reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Ginger is known to enhance blood circulation and possess anti-inflammatory, antiplatelet, hypotensive, and hypolipidemic effects that help prevent cardiovascular diseases. Benefit 3, treats nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting are common symptoms experienced due to seasickness, pregnancy, chemotherapy, or as a side effect of a treatment. In such cases, lemon ginger honey tea works like magic and tones down the symptoms to give instant relief. Studies show that ginger is one of the most effective agents to treat gastrointestinal problems like nausea, vomiting, indigestion, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. The ginger and lemon in the tea lowers the chances of heartburn and indigestion as well. It causes food to be better absorbed in the body and prevents belching and bloating after eating too much. Number 4, promotes liver function. This combination is extremely effective in improving liver function and promoting overall liver health. Studies have reported that long-term use of ginger and lemon individually is beneficial to treat liver disease, whether it's related to alcohol or not. Benefit 5, skin care. The powerful combination of lemon and ginger is not only exceptionally effective in treating any health disorder, but it also works toward giving you beautiful and flawless skin. Lemon ginger tea has a high amount of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that improve your overall skin health. The presence of ginger also imparts antibacterial properties, which fights off skin infections, thus clearing up your skin. The beverage will help improve your digestion, which is an important part of smooth and healthy skin. Benefit 6, great hair. This dovetails right in from the last benefit with skin. As mentioned, this tea is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which are beneficial for perfect skin as well as hair. Drink this tea on a regular basis and you'll see your hair get stronger and shinier. Lemon ginger tea helps reduce hair loss. It also gets rid of scalp-related problems like dandruff and itchiness in a simple and absolutely natural way. Want to know how to make this wonderful tea? This is an excellent recipe for a homemade lemon ginger syrup that can be used to make either a hot or cold tea whenever you want it. It's great to have on hand. You will need 2 slices of lemon, ½ cup of ginger sliced, ½ cup of raw honey. Making the base syrup. Step 1. In a glass jar, mix all the ingredients. Step 2. Allow them to steep for a few hours. You can also leave the jar in the refrigerator overnight. The juices of both lemon and ginger infuse with the honey to give a thick syrup. Ready to serve it? Add 1 to 2 spoonfuls of this syrup to a cup of hot water to make a healthy and delicious tea. If you don't want to make a syrup, you can also make fresh lemon ginger tea by adding lemon juice and a piece of ginger to boiling water and cooking on simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add honey to sweeten to taste. If you are pregnant or suffering from other underlying conditions, please check with your doctor prior to drinking this tea. Have you tried this tea? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and health ideas.